Hello everyone, my name is Juan Chrestopher Manasse Sinaga. In this opportunity, I would like to present about refrigerator. So, let's begin with the presentation.
First, who built the refrigerator first? Second, what makes the freezer cold? The third, where can we put the right refrigerator? The fourth, why do we have refrigerator? The fifth, when is the best time to clean the refrigerator? The sixth, how do you store food in the refrigerator currently? The first is, who built the refrigerator first? The first refrigerator was found in 1748, made by William Cullen at the University of Glasgow. William Cullen, a chemist, a physicist, and also an expert in what produces the growth of bacteria. This led him to create a refrigerator. Second is, what makes the freezer cold? Freezer in the refrigerator can be cold because of a technology that can turn temperature into hydrofluorocarbon. The third, where can we put the right refrigerator? The best fridge you can put is that you have to have good air circulation, dry and cool. Do not place the refrigerator where the sun is directly exposed. If you want to be placed in a kitchen, keep a refrigerator away from heating device, stoves, ovens, rice cooker, because they can contribute to increased electrical consumption in refrigerator. The fourth is, why do we have refrigerator? We should have refrigerator because, first, refrigerator can be used to make ice. Every refrigerator has a freezer, so we don't have to buy any ice outside that is sometimes of unsecure quality. The second is because in the refrigerator we can store cosmetics and skincare. Storing cosmetics and skincare in the refrigerator can protect products from contact with bacteria that can thrive in room temperature.
The third is in refrigeration, so we can make the ingredients well organized. Since the refrigerator is stuck with a food shelf. With this rack, we do not need to mix variety of food shelves into one that can cause a bad smell. The fourth, in refrigerators, we can keep food fresh, such as fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, refreshing when stored in the refrigerator. Freshness of food surface can affect taste.
The fifth is, when is the best time to clean the refrigerator? We can clean the refrigerator likely at least once a week. When cleaning a refrigerator, should also take note of some factors that make it advisable to clean the refrigerator quickly, such as past meals and stored food condition. This minimizes the risk of food poisoning and the unpleasant odors that may arise from the refrigerator as a result of the piles of bacteria and germs inside. The sixth is, how do you store food in the refrigerator correctly? First, top and center rack. On this rack, it is wise to store foods that are ready to eat, such as dairy products, fast foods, packaged foods, leftover foods, cooked meat, and ready salad. All of this should be stored in a sealed container to prevent contamination. Second, bottom rack. The lower rack is used to store raw meat, poultry, and fish in a sealed container to stop them from touching or dripping water into other foods. Third, closed drawer. In general, this is where vegetables and fruit should be stored. Avoid mixing meat with fruits and vegetables. Storing these foods together can increase the risk of contamination.
Door. The correct way to store food in the refrigerator is to store the most delicious food or beverage consumed cold at the edge of the refrigerator door. Items that are not perishable, such as beverage, some seasonings, water, and other perishable foods or beverage, should be placed here. Never keep moisturized drink like milk in here because the temperature is often unstable. That's all of my presentation. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.